people. Hello, Nigerians. I know some of you are going to be shocked, right? That I'm coming out to speak. Even though I have said I wasn't going to be speaking again on anything that has to do with Nigeria. But Nigeria is my home. Nigeria is my country. This is where I belong. No matter how much I travel, Nigeria is still my home. And we cannot just fold our hands and look away. It's impossible. I've seen that the head of military, they've come out to speak about these children that were adopted, and they're promising that they will get them back, and hopefully we pray that they get them back. But for how long is this going to continue to happen? For how long are we going to allow these demons that they call themselves bandits or terrorists break into homes, villages, cities, and take away our children and kill innocent souls and destroy homes and families and property? How long? This has been going on for too long. And though some of us, including myself, will feel very relaxed, thinking because we live in Lagos or we live in places that have heavy security and are gated, and we feel that it cannot get to us. My brother, my sister, it can get to us. If it can get to Oyo, trust me, it can get to us. Because whether you like it or not, these people, they live around us. They live in Nigeria. It has happened to someone that you do not know today, but you don't know what their plan is, what the next plan is tomorrow. Social media, we get so carried away that all we do is talk, and no actions. And that's why I agree with someone who said we are not angry enough. We are not angry enough. And this is not about, oh, APC is not doing well, Tinubu is not doing well. We ourselves are not ready. Because we are too afraid. We are too afraid to speak and to stand by the truth. We have military personnel who their sole duty is to protect the citizens of their country. What are they doing? How come this bandit will come and they will kill, they will steal, adopt, and take away our children? And all we will hear them say is, we are looking into it. It's not going to be an easy one. We are trying to do this. We are going to be flying this. What is going on? Are these people more than you military men who are supposed to be in charge of protecting the lives and property of your citizens? Is it that we do not have the right resources? You people need to come out and explain to us what the problem is. Because I disagree, and I will not accept that these bandits and more than the military men, women that we have in our country. If it is something that we cannot handle on our own, then why do we not ask for help from other countries? Because this is getting out of hand. Every time we hear of our government borrowing money to help the economy, so they say. So if we can go to different countries or go to these countries and ask for financial help, why can we not go to these countries and ask them to help send us their intelligence, their military men or women, or bring in weapons that can help us eradicate and erase these demons that have come into our life and into the lives of innocent children and women? That some of these bandits, they have the audacity to even make videos and put it out there, beheading a teacher. And I can't see all the teachers in Nigeria coming out for a peaceful protest to talk against this. How are we allowing this happen? It is going to get to us if we keep looking away. It is going to get to us if we do not ask the right questions and stand by it.